Now students, we will move to our second type. Second type means what is given in percentage of valid votes. See here, 60% of the valid votes. Read the question carefully. In an election, two candidates participated. 10% votes declared invalid. 10% votes are invalid and winner gets 60% of the valid votes. This is the key. 60% of the valid votes and win by 5400 votes. Find the total number of the votes in the voting list. We will told you to do this in three ways. First way, second way and third way. Then I will tell you which method you have to follow in the exam. First method, you can assume total votes as 100 or valid votes as 100. I am assuming in this question total votes as 100 because total votes were asked in the question. If valid votes were asked, then I will assume valid votes as 100. I assume total votes 100. 10% invalid. This means 90 votes are valid. Vedvat. Now the winner gets 60% of the valid votes. Now 60% of what? 90, because 90 is valid vote. 60% of 90 is 54. But you know, winner plus loser is equal to valid votes. Valid is 90. If winner is 54, loser will have 36. Now the winning margin is 18, but actual winning margin is 5400. 18 value is 5400. This means 100 value is 30,000 and 30,000 is the votes in the voter list. Now we will see the second approach, most suitable approach for this type of the questions. Let total votes is X. 10% votes are invalid. This means 90% is the valid vote. The valid vote is nothing but 9 by 10 of the votes. Winner gets 60% of the valid votes. The loser will get 40% of the valid votes. Margin is 20% of the valid votes. 20% in fraction is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of the valid votes. Already we have हमने निकाला हुआ वैलिड वोट्स x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 बाई 10, इसका 1/5. ये विनिंग मार्जिन होगा. विनिंग मार्जिन कितना है? 5400. इससे x को सोल्व करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 30,000 इज द करेक्ट चॉइस. इन एग्जाम you have to write this much only, nothing more than that. X is the total votes. 90% of this is valid votes. Winning margin 20% means 1 by 5. This is the winning margin. Equate, you will get X. If you have to find the value of valid votes, then multiply 30,000 with 9 by 10. You will get 27,000 as valid votes. I will prefer you to use this method when percentage is given in term of the valid votes. If percentage is given in term of total votes, then hundreds, जो 100 वाला मेथड है वो बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. लेकिन अगर परसेंटेज वैलिड वोट्स या वैध मत के रूप में गिवन है तो आप इस वन लाइन मेथड को फॉलो कीजिए. इट विल बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू.